All right, I've been wanting to try this for a couple of years. Finally did it. I've got me a flatbed for the rest of the summer here. The last couple of years I've been taking the back part of the racks off of the F600 to haul square bales. And I kind of wanted to see how difficult a job it was to take the side racks off and have a flatbed to use for the summer. And except for the malfunctioning come along there at the end, it really wasn't too bad a job. I've got the side racks here on one side of the shed. I've got the back end there at the other. So yeah, it really wasn't that bad a job at all. So now I need to make a brace to kind of brace up this front part because I'm too lazy to make an actual headache rack. I can leave that on there. And I'm thinking that come this summer, I should be able to haul 6 or 10 5x5 round bales on this and possibly offer some delivery because you know, when it comes to hay sales, I'm just a little guy. I don't sell hay to big farmers. I sell hay to hobby farmers, folks with a few beef cows or some sheep or some goats, folks that most of them don't really have a way to haul round bales. And I know I've lost a few sales because of that. So now I've got the truck anyway. It's licensed and insured. I figure the more I can use it, the better everything is. So, and besides that, with the hoist, I can unload hay really easy with this. So, yeah, that was my little job today. I decided to do this, and now it's I'm pretty happy with it. Now I'll have more opportunities to play with my F600. And of course, it occurred to me last year, I've always made 5x6 bales, but you know, sometimes I'm kind of slow, but it eventually occurred to me, you know, why the heck am I selling 5x6 bales when 5x5 bales bring the same money? So now the round bales that I sell, I'm going to tie them off at 5 feet instead of 6. Like I said before, I'm pretty sure the 5 feet, this is a 14-foot rack, but I think 3 5-footers on each side will fit on there. We'll find out. Anyway, playing with the F600 today. Like I said before, now I'll have the opportunity to play with it some more. So that's what I've been playing with today. So until next time, we'll see you later.